What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to cast a spinning reel. Do me a favor, if you got any value out of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's a spinning reel. I'm just using my travel rod because I'm indoors. It's raining right now. But the way I hold it, I grip it right there, so between these two fingers. The reason that is it just gives you a better handle on it, and it helps this trigger finger, that's what I call it, line up. So you take this finger, pull that back, open your bail. Alright, so then once you have that line, what you want to do is you keep that, you pull it back about this angle. Make sure that the hook on the back, because it can hook you, and then come forward at about a 45-degree angle. So from here to there, maybe that's not 45, but anyways, from there to there, and then when you go about there, you want to let go, and then point the direction you want it to go to have follow through. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor and give me a thumbs up if you guys got any value out of that video. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.